It's Thursday, February 9th. Cape Cod, big blizzard. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody got out in time to get the bread and the milk. Yeah, another beautiful evening on Cape Cod. Yeah, a lot of people would be indoors. Some people like it outside. Yep, that's just how it is. For all you fishermen out there, big question. A lot of people ask, why do you like to go fishing? Well, I like to go fishing. So hopefully I can get out there and there won't be anybody else around. A lot of people don't understand. It's nice to be out there all by yourself. Well, once again, a beautiful evening on Cape Cod. I hope all you folks that are in Florida are having a good time. I didn't look at the temperatures in Florida, but I'm sure it's nice. And how about Puerto Rico? Yeah, some folks really love Puerto Rico. I mean, I don't think you have weather like this in Puerto Rico. You miss quite a bit when you don't come out and sit on a bucket in your backyard in a snowstorm. But back to that question. Why do I like to go fishing? I like to go fishing not just to catch fish, but I love getting out in nature. Love seeing the ducks and the herons, the sunrise, the sunsets. Yeah, the outdoors, it's a beautiful place. And it's nice that everybody gets to use it. But it's nice to be alone sometimes. Yeah, this time of year it's nice. You don't have to worry about big crowds. You could go over to Arnold's right now and you'd be the only one in line. Of course, Arnold's is closed, but it's just a thought, you know. Having the place to yourself. Yeah, solitude does not mean loneliness. I don't know if I ever mentioned how I went to school to be a psychologist. Yeah, I only was there for 15 minutes, but I feel that I gained quite a bit of knowledge just by walking through the door. It's quite a place. Well, when you're at a loss for words, sit on a bucket. Conjures up a lot of intense feelings. You can get rid of a little gas, too, out here. Well, a lot of this stuff will probably have to be edited out. You don't want people to get the wrong idea in this fast-paced, materialized, crazy world we live in. And yes, this jacket is one of many of a line of clothing that Ivanka puts out on the Cape. You have to ask yourself, why would someone come out in a snowstorm and sit on a bucket? Well, it's not an easy question to answer. There are many reasons. You just want to try it for the heck of it. Anybody can be sitting in a nice warm house. Not everybody is outside sitting on a bucket in a snowstorm on Cape Cod. Some people are sitting on the beach in Florida or Puerto Rico. But that's all right. You have to do what you love. That's just how it is. Life is short, so do what you love. I'd just like to thank my nephew, Nicholas, who's my agent. He's going to be promoting a lot of my videos. And it probably won't be long, and my picture will be on a cereal box. Yeah, anyways. It's been a lot of fun sitting out here with you, talking. And, you know, just so you know, I can have just as much fun sitting on a bucket as you can have sitting in a recliner poolside in Florida or on the beach in Puerto Rico. Yeah, that doesn't bother me at all. Until the next time that I have something intelligent to say, be safe out there and tight lines. And as Red Green says, yeah, just remember, we're all in this together, and I'm pulling for you. Oh, and another thing that he says is, the women don't find you handsome, maybe they'll find you handy. Yeah, you gotta love it. Okay, I don't believe I said that, but I just did. All right, well, there's no taking it back. That's right. Okay, have a good night. See you later.